Hello, welcome back. Today let's create the logic for updating a cat and deleting a cat. Let's start with deleting a cat since it will be easier. Okay, let's open the route. Delete cat, and here we will receive return status code status dot 204 no content. Let's write the function delete cat, and here we will receive the user ID because a user can have only one cat, which is next round cat. And just to mention something, usually the application is the logic of the application is once the cat is applied to the round and it's in the game, it can be deleted. The ownership is transferred to the owner of the game. Something like this. This is the logic. Because if a cat became a cat of the week, it will be good the owner of the application to own the property for the cat and the cat image. Okay, I hope I was clear enough. This is just how to say, we will not have to write logic to delete a cat of the week which is related to some user and cat which is already in the current round. Okay, so let's write try and catch because here we will have an edge case. So let's await delete next round cat. So let's write this function. Let's write it here. Okay, and here we will have user ID, just string, and here we will receive null. And what we will write here, first we have to query the cat. And we have to write some filter, user ID filter, which is equal to field filter, user ID, I think you already know that. And you are able to write it, so query is equal to next round getref dot where and filter equals to filter user ID filter. Okay, and here we have docs, which is doc async for doc in query dot stream. And here if there are no docs, you raise not found. This user does not have a cat. Okay. And if there is some doc is equal to docs, and the first one, maybe I hope only the one in this list, and await next round cat reference dot document, and here doc dot id dot delete. So we are deleting the reference, the document. Okay, let's import that function and use it here, and here user id dot id, and except not found. And here we have simple logic, raise http exception status code status dot not found. Okay, and detail equals to, let me accept not found as a dot message. Okay, and return ok. Okay, let's test the logic. Let me open Postman. Here is Postman. Okay, let's post a cat with that user. I already have uploaded a cat and let's delete. Okay, and we can see we deleted the cat which is related to the user. So here I want to mention I don't receive any ID of the cat. One user have one cat, that's all. For that we are using the user ID, we are querying the cat and that's all. And if I try again, you can see this user does not have a cat. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the deleting functionality. Let's write the put request. Put update cat. And here I will use response module next round cat with image. Cat data is equal, so here we have to create a new class, module class next round cat update. Here we will inherit from the base class and provide, we will need the cat ID. Of course here we can still query the cat of the user, but here I will write it in different way. I want it, yeah, just to show different logic. Okay, so let's write next round cat update and user ID. Okay, and next logic which I will write, I will write the update query. Okay. Okay, new cat data which is again next round update. And user ID which is string. And we will see turn next round cat. Okay, and here we will, what we will have. So first, as I mentioned on the deleting, if we receive the cat ID in the user ID, we can, for example, check, okay, because there are a lot of different scenarios. You can create some different application with orders, with e-commerce, for example, quotes. Whatever application you are writing, there can be different scenarios. So let me show you how we can query the cat and check if that cat exists and to compare the user ID in the database and the received user ID from the token. Okay, cat to update doc. So we will take first the doc. Okay, and new cat data.id and cat to update equals to 08 cat to update doc.get. And first check if not cat to update doc exists. This is not a function, this is just a flag. And trace not found. We haven't found the cat with this ID is not found. Okay. And the second scenario, okay, some user wants to update some other cat. Cat to update user ID. We will take the user ID. Predict user ID. And if cat to update user ID is not equal to user ID, we will raise exception. This cat is not related to this user. Okay. And after that we will proceed with updating. Update cat data dict is equal to update cat the new data, excuse me, dot dict module dump. Let me see, new cat data dict. Let's change it to be more descriptive, and here we will await, and here we will take the doc dot update, and here we provide the dictionary. Okay, and updated cat, because we have to return it. Next round cat is equal to this dictionary, contains this dictionary, and user ID, which is user ID. Because in that class module, we don't have the user ID, and here we will return the updated cat. Okay. Saving, and let's take and this function update, it's the only update function, and again let's try. Updated cat is equal to await update cat, and here we will provide cat data and user ID. Okay. And here we will handle two kinds of exceptions. Except not found, if there is not found exception, but let's write it as a. And here is HTTP exception status code equal to status dot not found. Okay, 404 data, which is a e dot message. Okay, and one more exception, exception raise HTTP exception status code status dot unauthorized, and details. Here again some message, this cat is not yours. Okay, something like this. No, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's proceed with the, so we will have to return next round cat with image, so we just copy this functionality, maybe even like this, and here I will write updated cat with image. Here I will provide the, okay, so looks good, return updated cat with image. Okay, let's test the functionality again with Postman. So let's delete the cat to know that we don't have a cat. Let's post some cat. Okay, so we received the ID. We take this ID because it's important. We change it here, and you can see we are writing post cat updated. So here we will check if the entity is updated. And let's open Firestore. Let me refresh. Okay, so we have this cat, and we can see the values, and let's update. Okay, this cat is not yours. Really interesting. Why? Okay, let me delete again this cat. Let me post a cat. Okay, let me check. Okay, this, let me take this bearer. Maybe I played with other users. Yeah. Okay, let's send it, and cat with this ID is not found because here we have to take the new ID. Okay. Oh, not the photo ID, excuse me, here the ID. Yeah, I make a lot of mistakes, excuse me. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning. Let's post a cat. Okay, and here let's change the header. Okay, let me take the okay, it's the same. Okay, and let me take the ID of the cat. This is not your cat. Okay, let me check the code. Okay, I found the mistake, so here we have to provide and like this. Maybe I have to, I don't know, do I have to refactor this? Okay, so let me delete these print statements just for debugging. For that, I like to be more descriptive for easy debugging. Let me again show. Okay, so, okay. Okay, so missing, something is missing. Okay. And we can see we updated the cat. So let me again delete the cat for this user, post the cat again. You can see the ID is changing. Let me open the Firestore. Okay, refresh. You can see the cat with the fields. Let me update. Okay. And we can see here we've updated the fields. Okay, let me try to change this ID. You can see cat with this ID is not found. Let me bring back the ID. We are able to update this cat, and let me register other user and create token to take its token to log it in. Okay, take his token and go to put and change this bearer. Yeah, excuse me for the mistake. Maybe I have to drink. Okay, you can see this cat is yours. Maybe I have to drink stronger coffee. Okay, so thank you for the attention.